Okay, let's see if you can solve this. Find the value of A and the value of B. You know what to do, right? Take a moment, pause the video, and try to solve this question. Okay, assuming that you have tried it, let's see whether you got A and B correct. So what we've been given are two brackets, and I'm going to expand this. And to expand, we say 6 multiplying 4 minus root 3 plus root 3 multiplying 4 minus root 3. 6 times 4 gives us 24 minus 6 root 3 plus 4 root 3. Root 3 times root 3 gives us a negative 3 because of the two different signs, plus and the minus. Remember, a plus and a minus give us a minus. Now we have 24 minus 6 root 3 plus 4 root 3 minus 3. Grouping like terms, we have 24 minus 3 minus 6 root 3 plus 4 root 3, and 24 minus 3 gives us 21 minus 6 plus 4 gives us minus 2, and we have our root 3. So there we have it. We have 21 minus 2 root 3, which is what we get after expanding these two. And our answer is given in the form of A plus B root 3, and we want to find what the value of A is. And already by looking at this, you can see that this is almost similar to what we have right there. However, we have a positive here and we have a negative, so we just need to take note of that. But otherwise, our A is going to be equal to 21 and our B is equal to negative 2. So those are the two values. The value of A is equal to 21 and the value of B is equal to negative 2. I hope you got it correct. If not, then you can go back a little bit and follow through the steps which I have just taken. I hope you learned something, and thanks for watching. Please do hit the subscribe button. I will see you in the next video.